Hi guys. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to add text and images to PDF in JavaScript using PDF.co web API. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. Let's begin. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Then, enter the JavaScript sample code. You can get the JavaScript sample code in PDF.co API docs. In line 10, insert your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 14, input your source file URL. For line 17, add the search text to find the target coordinates. For line 59, type in your desired output file name. Let's set up the text annotation params. For text params, type in your preferred text to add in the source file. For font name, enter your preferred font style. For font size, add the size of your text. Then, insert the color of your text. After setting up the code, you may now run the program. In your terminal, type node-app.js to send a request. Once the program runs successfully, it will return the search text coordinates and the result file. Let's check the folder to view the output. Here's the text that we added to the target coordinates. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.